In the previous video, we saw that acetic acid in vinegar changes the purple anthocyanin pigment molecule in cabbage juice to red. In this video, we will show how to change the purple anthocyanin to blue and yellow. We just need to remove a hydrogen ion here for blue, then add a hydrogen here and an oxygen and hydrogen here for yellow. This can be done by adding the weak base sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, to change cabbage juice to create blue and turquoise juice colors. Sodium bicarbonate has chemical formula Na+, C, O3H, where Na+ is a sodium ion, C is carbon, O is oxygen, and H is hydrogen, of course. When sodium bicarbonate is dumped into water, the sodium ion falls away from the bicarbonate, which becomes an ion because of the minus charge oxygen atom. A hydrogen ion from a water molecule is happy to see the minus charged oxygen and leaps to join team bicarbonate. The extra hydrogen creates a new molecule called carbonic acid, CO3H2. The water molecule that lost its hydrogen ion leaves behind a hydroxide molecule, OH-, which increases the pH level of the water to a stronger alkali. If there is a lot of carbonic acid in the water, the reverse reaction will take place. A hydrogen ion falls off carbonic acid and joins water to make bicarbonate and hydronium H3O+. This process makes the water more acidic and lowers the pH level. The maximum pH level for sodium bicarbonate in water is an alkali of about 8.5, which is enough to change purple cabbage to blue at pH 7.5 and turquoise for pH levels between 8 and 8.5, since turquoise is a mixture of blue anthocyanin pigment and a bit of yellow. How much sodium bicarbonate to add to the water? To get a pH of 8.5, use a 1 mole solution of sodium bicarbonate, which means it has 6 times 10 to the 23 molecules. The number of grams of powder needed for 1 mole is calculated by adding the atomic weight of each atom in the molecule. The number comes from the periodic table. Usually, the atomic weight is about twice the atomic number. For sodium bicarbonate, sodium adds 23 grams, carbon adds 12 grams, hydrogen adds 1 gram, and oxygen adds 16 grams each, but there are 3 atoms. The total is 84 grams of baking soda powder dissolved in 1 liter of water. If you don't want to make that much, scale down the water and powder so the molarity remains 1m. For example, 21 grams of baking soda in 250 milliliters of water, or 8.4 grams of baking soda in 100 milliliters of water also have a molarity of 1m. They are scaled versions of a 1 mole solution. To make the cabbage juice blue, just add a few drops at a time of the 1m molarity solution, since you only need to change the pH from 7 to 7.5. You don't need to be so careful to make turquoise because a pH between 8 and 8.5 will work. Just dump some of into the purple cabbage juice. It is difficult to get a true green color with sodium bicarbonate because green needs a pH of 9. Dive into the quiz, then we can switch to sodium bicarbonate's cousin, sodium carbonate, to make green juice.